So first thing we need to talk about is what an isotope actually is. And we're going to call them atoms of the same element. Atoms of the same element. Glare off of here. There we go. But same element, so they have the same number of protons, but they have different number of neutrons. So there's two things we have to know about this, the convention, how we talk about different isotopes so we can identify them. Is one way we do is isotope names. And how we do the names is like this. You guys have heard of carbon-14. In earth science, that's how we do radiometric dating. And so what that means is that we have the name of the element and a dash, and then the 14, that tells us the mass number. And from your reading yesterday, which mass numbers, protons plus neutrons in that atom, in that specific atom. Not all carbon, but in that specific isotope. There's, it's carbon, so there's 6 protons, and the mass number is 14. So how you'd find the number of neutrons is you take that 14 and you minus 6. So this one has actually 8 neutrons. We also can shorten this up and just use the symbol capital C. And that's the symbol. And that's the mass number, once again. Now there's one other way that this is shown is using the symbol, isotope symbol, and that shows a lot of information and really compact. It's a really short. This saves us a lot of time. I'm going to put a big X here, and the X is the element symbol, and then I'm going to put a big A right here, and this is standard notation on top with the A. And then we have on the bottom number, they say Z. So there we have it. So the top is mass number, on the bottom is atomic number. Here's my example, and then we're going to do a little practice. We've been using carbon-14. How we would do that, we'd say C. We'd have the 14 on the top, mass number, and the 6 on the bottom.